Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need to start by confirming how Office was acquired, because the method to see a key depends on that. Sign in to account. Microsoft.com with the account used during purchase or activation. Once signed in, open orders and services or subscriptions. Make sure to check the purchase email while you're signed in, since retail keys or digital receipts often include the 25-character key. If you see a subscription like Microsoft 365, know that Microsoft stores that license server-side rather than exposing a traditional key. Once done with account checks, move to local sources. Examine the original box, certificate of authenticity sticker, or your purchase email for a 25-character product key. If you have Office 2007-2010, the digital product ID lives in the registry, but it's encoded. Export the value and decode it with a known script or official tool. Do not edit the registry. For volume licensed Office, use the organization's Volume Licensing Service Center or an administrative PowerShell tool to retrieve MAK or KMS. To finish, prioritize account-based recovery. Check account. Microsoft.com and the reseller's order history for confirmations. If you still can't find a product key, gather proof of purchase and contact Microsoft support to recover or reassign a license. Make sure you don't rely on unknown third-party keyfinder apps because they can be unsafe and often fail for modern Office versions. One quick troubleshooting tip. If activation fails after recovery, sign out of Office on all devices, sign back in, and then run Office repair from apps and features.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.